And welcome back. Second innings now. The West Indies' poor showing at the T20 World Cup in 2022 forced a review to be conducted by an independent panel, which included former captain Brian Lara and experienced South African coach Mickey Arthur. The West Indies did not qualify for the main stage of the tournament, and several recommendations were made to guard against another insipid performance. And Dr. Kishore Shaul pointed that groundwork is being laid.
But we are at a point now where I think that there needs to be a feeder program into the CPL, and it is critical that we have a domestic T20 tournament. We have been engaged in CPL and others across the region with those discussions. We are getting traction, I believe, from the stakeholders, and I suspect that no later than next year we'll see the commencement of domestic T20 tournament where we have only Caribbean players, West Indian players, hopefully more emerging players as well in that tournament, which would expose our young talent and give us even, broaden our pool, help us to broaden our pool for white ball cricket.